1976 no mint mark penny value. Baseline values for all 1976 Lincoln cents is about 2 cents. In the case of 1976 pennies from the Philadelphia Mint, which did not place a mint mark on Lincoln cent in those days, a total of 4.6 billion were made, or 4,674,292,426 to be exact. We're talking a mintage of more than 4 billion here. So, a 1976 penny is not rare, but these old copper pennies are definitely getting harder to find in pocket change these days. Why is that? Because more and more collectors are becoming aware of the inherent value of 1976 pennies, and while it's currently illegal to melt United States 1 cent coins, they're still being traded on a speculative basis. What about nicer quality 1976 pennies? Well, those are worth far more than just 2 cents. A typical uncirculated 1976 Lincoln cent is worth about 10 to 20 cents. The record for the most valuable 1976 Lincoln penny without a mint mark goes to a specimen that received a grade of MS68RD from Professional Coin Grading Service. That particular piece took a whopping $7,931.25 in a 2014 auction.